Okay, this is my second tutorial in English version, and this tutorial will explain how to install Linux Debian on virtual machine using Hyper-V. At first, you will see a lot of options: install, graphic card, install, advanced option, help, and install with speech synthesis. I usually use this option, graphical install. So you can enter on this option and we can continue. Wait for a second. You will see they are working. At first you will see this option. You can choose your own language. I usually choose English version to install this Debian. The second is select your nation. Unfortunately, Indonesia is not listed here, and you can choose other. Here, Indonesia. This is the keyboard usually we use. I use United States key map. Still using American English. Press start to install. Let me see if the internet is connected. Okay, connect. So this is the host name. You have to choose what your host name will be on your network. I usually use Debian, vdeb. 780, and this is the domain. You can use this or you can change it later. For example, maybe you can skip it. I will explain it later. Create your root password. Create a user account. I usually use the same name with my computer name. User account, I will use the same name. Enter your password. Then choose your region. I'm in near Jakarta, so I will choose this Western. Okay, if you use this tool for the first time, I recommend you choose white use entire disk. So this virtual disk will be format all file in one partition, so you only create and will only have one partition. Okay, this is setting, and choose finish partition and write change to this. Choose yes. It start formatting. I will pause this for a second because it will take too long to wait. So we continue. This is asking, are you want to scan additional CD or DVD? I usually choose no because I don't have ISO 2 and ISO 3. They will use package manager. Usually they use network mirror, which usually we call repository. I choose no. This is apt. Apt is a syntax we will use to install update in Linux. This part is asking, are you willing to take a usage survey? I usually choose no. And this is the environment. What will you do with this virtual machine? If you want to create a web server, it will install Apache on this Debian virtual machine. You should click this option. If you want to SQL, if you want to make this as MySQL server, you can choose this option. This is the server is domain name service. If you want to make this virtual machine as a domain name server controller, and this is to create a file server in case you want to share or create a file server storage. While this option is to create a mail server. For example, you will choose ds at transfer aja using your own local server or your own virtual private machine. SSH, I never use this. I still don't know how to use this option. While this option is give you information that Debian will install on a laptop. So now I will just install Debian desktop environment. I don't choose any of this option. I will install it manually using terminal, and you can see it step by step using this video. We can continue. I will select continue. There's a lot of file which should be downloaded, so I will pause this until this process is almost done. Okay, the next thing we should install is masterboard record, which we usually use. If you usually use Windows, you will know FAT32, NTFS, UEFI. While Linux is different, you will need to install group bootloader. So choose yes and click continue. Installation complete. You can click continue and then remove the installation media floppies. So I will eject. Oh, it's already eject. Click continue. You will see the system will rebooting. Just wait, there's nothing you have to click or press. So this is the first view you will see once you already finish the installation. You can this is Debian Wazy 780 because I use Hyper-V and I use laptop and I have a problem with my vision, so I will switch the resolution to become 800 and 1600 pixel. Okay, this is already finished. You can see your Debian WG already installed. Thank you very much for seeing this video. Have a good day. See you on my next video.